Welcome back to Sailing Vessel Hey Hey Ray Ray on the hard in the yard. In this video we are replacing many of the through-hulls that were well overdue for that. Fiberglass over 2 through-hulls that will no longer be necessary with an installation of a water feed manifold, feed 4 intakes, and use the remaining hull for a new transducer, a 2D forward-looking Echo Pilot. Removal of the through-hulls for the bathrooms weren't too bad, but the through-hulls on the forward starboard proved to be a lot tougher. At first we thought we could use a socket that we had a friend, a neighbor, actually the Regatta Point owner, let us borrow. But you see here we struggled with it, and yeah, I'll let you watch.
And push down on the socket.
Okay.
While I try to bust it loose.
Okay, we'll see.
Set that on there, and it fits really well actually. And there's an extension right there.
Does that really fit? Oh, it does fit pretty well. Okay. Oh,
there's an extension.
Look
right
at this
there.
extension.
And that's the small one. I didn't get the big one.
Oh, dang.
Okay, so
Okay, so I have to hold this in place.
But I need lots of pressure going down. I need one click. Oh, no.
No.
Like I said, you're almost gonna have to put a foot on it. Put your weight into it.
First I have to get it set
on there.
Correct.
Right
Is
there.
that it?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. So, can I put my foot on it?
I mean, I'm not going to worry about you breaking it.
Is that going to work like that?
Maybe.
Oh.
And then...
I don't know if it's on it good. Make sure it's on it right. We're going to end up doing a major strip. Okay. This is tough.
This is very tough.
Okay, can I sit my butt over here? Got all sorts of things here. Okay. I fit my fat butt there, and now I can't move. Okay.
It's got to go back on the socket. It's not on there.
This is not working. Let's try this direction.
I'm just going to have to cut them off.
I'm thinking.
It's just too tight of a space.
Yeah. Where's the... There. Is that it?
There.
Okay. And I don't want to put my foot on the socket itself, right?
Okay, that's actually pretty good.
I can't stabilize. Got it?
It just always rolls it up.
Yeah, it's because it's a star.
Oh, just...
Nope, it's going to strip.
So the inside, we have to put 5,200 on the inside of the big valve that mates up against the hull in here. And then you stick it with the right direction so the valve on the inside can't spin around and around and around.
Right.
And then you put a big thick bead, see that flat surface there?
Yeah.
You put a big thick bead of 5200 around this.
Okay.
Okay? And then you screw this in to seal everything up. And it's going to squish 5200 out all around it.
Yeah.
And then you want to take your nitrile finger and you want to go around it to smooth it off.
Okay.
And then you want to peel the tape off of the outside.
Okay.
And really, it'll stain this too, so this needs to be
Tape too.
taped too.
Okay. Okay. How's that? Okay. Yeah, I know there's a big blob. I'm like, I gotta clean that up before it goes plopping everywhere.
This boat had 4 through-hulls right here that were all the saltwater intake for the boat. For the water maker, for the air conditioners, for the generator water, and the 4th one was unused. It was plugged. And I was thinking, well, that's 4 points of failure. I would rather go to 1 point of failure and have 1 through-hull that feeds a manifold. And I had a very hard time finding a manifold, and my father sent me a link to a website, and I contacted them, and they're like, well, we make these per order. So I ordered it, and it took them 20 days, and this is 1.5 inches through, because this is non-pressure, this is just seawater. So it's 1.5 inches through with 4 3/4 outputs. So I can go from the through hull to a ball valve. From there, it will pipe to a sea strainer that will strain all the big stuff that comes in. And the output of the sea strainer will go into this, and this will feed all of my salt water on the boat. And I did walk into a lock supply wanting something like this, and they told me it was going to be about 4 times the cost. So this thing is pretty awesome.
Who's it from?
Smart Flow is who makes it. They make it in Tulsa, Oklahoma.
Oh, well, there you go.
That were left over from the generator redo that I had cut up and used. I had made those. Those were the pieces I used to fix the bulkhead. So I just chopped one of them in 2 to make 2 pieces. It'll go here and here, so this thing mounts solid.
Nice.
I need to mark. How do I mark?
Pink is my favorite color. Isn't that a Aerosmith song?
I believe.
Simple but effective. Worked! For the transducer, we had to epoxy in a plastic tube that I had ordered off the internet and kept it in alignment using the through holes and duct tape. And Chris, using a high density foam that's grid scored, that was actually scrap he got from another contractor at the boatyard. He shaped it and epoxied it, shaped it, kept working on that for a while. Then Chris fiberglassed over it. You see where still the hole will have to be cut out. On the right is where a previously existing through hole has been fiberglassed over, since we have the manifold now. Here again we're using 5200. Try not to make a mess and get that through hole seated in. As you notice in all these clips, the white shiny hull is actually barrier coat. We had to put the through holes on with 5200 after the barrier coat, before the copper coat, which we captured in a different video. Okay, so we see where the manifold is, and all 4 feeds with 4 valves. A sea strainer here, coming in from the single big valve, a single hole. That's pretty cool. Our very first transducer data. Mm-hmm. Is that what it is? On the Echo Pilot.
Yeah, it says 1.9 meters. Okay.
Sounds about right.
What's up?
Is that boat supposed to be us?
So that's up and down is zoom in and out.
So the markings in meters or feet or what? Because I thought it was like 200 feet or something. Where's the...
Strength, channel 1, max strength, angle. Okay. Shallow alarm off. Gain level 10. Display options. The color strength. So the colors are strength. I don't know what the colors mean.